Okay, so how was the debate?
Actually, it was very, very awesome.
Okay. So why did you choose to participate in this debate?
I have a lot of reasons, and one of them is just that I want to improve myself. You know, the legal profession is not a place you just jump into by mistake or by accident. It's something you cook yourself over time. So UNSBA is a very, very good fertile line to help you do such things. So I choose to participate in this competition because I want to build myself basically, and I also want to bring out the name of my chamber in one of the best, as one of the best chamber.
Okay, so which chamber do you think will win this debate?
Actually, based on the performance, wow, I think I count on Zenith, but I still know that we cannot lose.
Okay, Zenith, right?
Yes,
okay, so what is your chamber?
My chamber is Olisabakoba.
So what chamber do you think will perform the least in this debate?
From my own perspective, I think is Justice Oputa's chamber.
Why Justice Oputa chamber?
Actually, there is a lot of flaws. You know, one of their counsel was sleeping, and the reporter didn't report well, and the third counsel they advocate very well. A lot of lapses, you know. And but then this next chamber, wow, those people were very good. As one of